Hello, in this video we are going to talk about 6.5, which is rolling, and that's going to be mostly emphasizing about other things that we spoke about with the addition of a small part. First, we are going to talk again about the total kinetic energy, which is the sum of K rotational plus K translational. That's the first one, so keep that in mind that they will be for both. The translational will be for the center of mass, and the rotational will be for the whole object. Now, we've seen a lot in practice the word rolling without slipping. That's very important because most of the time you are going to have that in the free response and in our multiple choice. Again, that's when we go to unit 5.2. Delta x is going to be equal to r d theta, d omega or v equals to r omega, and a is equal to r alpha. Now, when we say rolling without slipping, it means no friction. And since I have no friction, it means no energy dissipation. So keep in mind that when they tell us rolling without slipping, it means we have no friction and no energy dissipation. Now, an important thing that we need to calculate in many cases, but it's not mentioned in the syllabus, is the power for rotation. The power is going to be equal to the torque multiplied by omega. So that's the power, that's the torque, and that's angular velocity. Now we can prove that this is going to be the same as force times velocity. For example, we know that torque is equal to R times F and omega is equal to V over R. If I replace them, P equals the torque RF multiplied by V over R, we get F times V. So that would be for the rolling without slipping. The last part is if we have slipping. Now, for the case of slipping, we will not be asked to calculate it. We are just going to be asked to describe it. So, when slipping, first thing, the center of mass and rotational motion cannot be directly related. So, for example, when it was without slipping, the center of mass will go in a straight line. That's why we said translational. And the rotational motion, we have the I for it. The force of friction will have force of friction will be present. And if we have friction, it means there will be energy will be dissipated. And as we said, the rolling without friction, with rolling with friction will not be calculated. So rolling with friction is beyond the scope of this course, so will not be calculated. That's it all for unit 6.5 rolling.